If you're researching the Institute of 3D Printing and wondering whether it's legit, whether it actually works, whether we do what we say we're going to do and it's worth the investment, this video shares real client experiences, including any skepticism before joining and what happened after.
Here we are, several months later. I'm actually just recovering from the holiday rush, which was it was very difficult to keep up with.
And we're having a really busy week. I would say for like the next month, I don't mind running to the post office every day. It's just exciting. So it is going well.
The bringing together of materials and making something that, that integrates 3D printing, but doesn't necessarily rely 100% on it.
I have 6 3D printers right now. Show you those. So I started off with just that one in the corner.
And I also managed to come up with multiple product ideas, which I probably would never have come across, even though I was interested in that sort of niche.
I just wanted to walk out and try something on my own, right? And I had no idea that thing was going to be starting a business. So on a gamble, I found this Institute of 3D Printing thing that I've been hearing murmurs of,
and everything just started to click maybe 3 weeks ago.
I don't think that if I had done it, I wouldn't have the growler rack for sure, but I'd still be kind of floundering around with with the water filter or purifier, and just not of that mindset of just go make it, get it going, do something.
I did have a few reservations prior to joining the course. The first being, is it going to work for me? Will I achieve success?
It was a really difficult decision to make to get involved in it, because for a long time I'd wanted to kind of break out of having a corporate life.
The fear of failure, that okay, I'm going to start something that's going to put me in a place to actually succeed or fail, and that's scary.
Taken plenty of other e-learning courses that it was like, yeah, maybe this will help, maybe this will be the one. And so because of that, I was actually a little bit skeptical.
So luckily, my wife, being as supportive as she is, decided to invest in me after I told her about the course.
But the thing that made this really different, and what I think made it really effective, is not just the content, of course, but the one-on-one help that I got from Ed.
I would say 2 things. It's, there's the mechanics behind, how do you find that niche, and then go and search out and just methodical way of finding your product. That was super useful. And I really got a lot out of the group sessions. I really enjoyed it, and I think it was definitely useful.
I think thirdly, just the general support, accountability, and feedback throughout the course has been fantastic, and it's been great to work with Ed. He really does get down into detail with you. It's not like he just gives you a couple of videos to watch and say, go out and do it. No, he really chases you up.
A little bit of accountability to somebody outside of my, my 4 walls, and a little bit of that, the group, the contributions, the collaboration that happens, just to help getting you out of the mindset that you're in, or helping you, take the next step.
And you said, why are you targeting only the 30% of the market that has old school doorbells? Why don't you target the people that are buying the new doorbells? And it's like, duh.
Now, the biggest takeaway for me from the course itself was the method in which Ed teaches product ideation. This was a huge eye-opener for me. I've created multiple websites before, so I've learned a lot about SEO and keyword research. But what Ed teaches is more of a multifaceted and multi-leveled approach.
About, just something that you can get excited about, like this new thing that's part of your life. Having those people to talk to is fantastic, and you can't really get that many other places.
And really works with you to get you to where you need to be.
It was something that I saw as being worth the risk. and it it worked out.
Then all of a sudden everything fires off at the same time, and it's like, oh, I get it.
But the way Ed teaches this and the depth that he goes into, and he's helped me write sales copy that when I read over it, I think, okay, I want to buy my own product.
The last month has been very hectic, but like incredibly rewarding. You know, financially, of course.
For somebody who's been in my position, you know, they know how to 3D print. They're struggling to come up with the products, but they know that coming up with their own products and selling it is the way forward. This is the course for you.
We jumped the gun a little bit on this one just to make some money in the meantime, but the process has been great. We're still reading up on, or still trying to finish Pillar 4, and we know that when we do our launch for the Thanksgiving product, and we follow all the steps, it's just going to be awesome.
And on that, we do intend to send everything to Amazon to be fulfilled by them. And this is, we're treating this as a soft launch to build up that customer database.
Where I basically, I want to say I almost tripled the orders within a month.
I would most certainly recommend this course to anyone who is looking to sell their own 3D printed products.
Actually, I would absolutely do it again. It's, you know, it's exactly what I needed to get started, you know. And I can see that I can do this again. I can, you know, I'm going to do it again.
I'm on my way. Like, I only have a few products and they're doing this well. All I have to do is add more. Okay.
Now everything is crystal clear.
Keep your mind open and try to learn new stuff. It will work. It will.
So thank you.
I tell people about it all the time because they ask me, how did you start doing this? I was, well, you know, I got this guy.